So on behalf of WHAS 11 and LG&E KU, I would like to present you with this big golden apple. This is your ExCEL award.
So on behalf of LG&E and KU, I'm happy to present you with an award of $1,000 that we know will be well used for your students and in your classroom. Congratulations.
You make others around you a better teacher. And so I just can't thank you enough for all your work. You are making a difference in the lives of children, even when it was virtually.
I feel so blessed to be doing what makes me happy, knowing that I am making a difference and forging future world changers, because that's huge in my classroom, is what makes my job so rewarding.
If I had to describe Miss Badouan, she's an amazing person, an amazing teacher. She's always here, staying late. I actually joke with her that she has an apartment on the 3rd floor because she's here so much.
I would describe Miss Badouan as a wonderful teacher because she is really caring and honest.
Something I see with Miss Badouan, we all go to trainings. We all learn things, we all do professional development, and we pick and choose what we implement. It seems like everything she learns, she puts into place with fidelity every single day. It's amazing how she can do that.
She's always helping me when I get mad or sad. She helps me.
So Miss Badouan goes above and beyond in so many ways it's hard to even list them all to be a great teacher for her students.
She's funny. She's a nice teacher, and she's really kind to her students.